Good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Learning Luo with Herin Achieng Eris. Nyinga and Herin Achieng Eris. My name is Herin Achieng Eris. It's been a while. So today, kawuono means today, we are going to learn about simple body parts. So we're just going to learn from here to here. So if you are home and learning from home, welcome to my channel. So this is your chance to learn Luo. Yes, this is your chance to continue with learning Luo. So kawuono, today, wadwa puonjore. We are going to learn. Wadwaro. We are. Adwaro. I am. Adwaro puonjora. I want to learn. Wadwaro puonjore. We want to learn. So ma and we are. This is my hair. We are en rateng. It is black. Ma and wanga. This is my eye. Wang. Eye. Ma uma. Uma. U-M-A. U-M-A. Uma. Ma doga. This is my mouth. Awiro. I have applied. Nimepaka. Awiro doga. I have applied lipstick, on my mouth. Awiro lipstick e doga. I have applied lipstick on my mouth. Ma and laka. This is my teeth. Laka rachar. My teeth is white. Rachar means white. So you can say ma lawa. Lao is a dress. Lawa rachar. My dress is white. Ma and tigo. Tigo means beads. So Luos used to wear beads in the past. Maybe not something like this, but these are beads. Ma tigo. These are beads. Ma nguta. Tigo niye nguta. The beads are on my neck. Ma lawa. This is my dress. Lao. Dress. So lao is clothing. Clothes. So what else? Amor, kawuono. I am happy. Amor, happy. So if you want to say happy, you say amor, nimefurahi. So we'll be learning more Luo words and keep repeating these words to yourself. Use them in your households as you continue quarantining due to coronavirus. Keep learning Luo. Oriti means goodbye.